heard there was a microwave that people trashed but Zion saved, 'cause he thought maybe there could be something to it. He picked Dave's head up off the floor, he put him in and he closed the door, and now we've got a theme song we can sing. Well, it's Abe's head, oh, it's Abe's head. Yes, it's Abe's head in the microwave. He took you to Chafin's class, Disney themed, and the students laughed, but still some people just did not understand you. He carried you through security, and standing there was your body. That body needs a head, we know it's true, but we like it, oh, we like it. Yes, we like it in the microwave. Well, now it's time for Zion to go. He graduates, and don't you know that all good things must eventually come to an end? But don't you worry, Zion, no, we'll take care of Abe, don't you know? 'Cause at this school we'll always be with friends. In the microwave, in the microwave, in the microwave, in the microwave.